What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks back for another video in Santa Clarita again. Man, I need to come here at least once a week because I need to catch that heat rack, and I also need to find some cleats. I need to find some cleats for something. All right, man, it's all or nothing at this spot. You're gonna find crazy steals, or you're gonna waste time. I don't know. That's what it feels like. All right, let's see what we get. First thing you gotta do, you gotta check behind. You gotta check behind here. No heat cart, but they do have heat items. Do you got some Sakai's right here, Sakai Blazers? No. Don't really know what the price is until you get up there. It's under $100, we know that. But yeah, these bad boys, 11.5, okay. Couple Vapor Max, these are women's sizes. There's 5.5 women. All right, so not much behind the counter. Got a couple things, but nothing too crazy. We are gonna check the 10.5 for, see what they got. Maybe some cleats too. Size 10 do got some Zions. That's pretty dope for $60, half price. Not necessarily the colorway that I want, but this is pretty dope. Might get the bread ones. If they had it for $60, I probably would pick those up. Oh, this is my stuff right here, dude. Look, the Vapor 14 clubs. $20 for cleats. Might have to try these on. I think the 10s usually are a little small, but I'll try it on because I do need cleats. All right, dude, these don't fit. I need a 10.5. We'll see. Got some Blazer cords. Don't know the price. Ton of the Zions. Dude, got a bunch of them. $60 for those. Got some Terra Kigers. Going for $60. Tempo Next Percents go for $100. These are normally $2 bills. So that's a really good deal. Pegasus. What are these Pegasus? USA colorway. These are 9.5. No price tag on it though. But we know they're cheap. Probably $60. Size 10.5, they do have the Hirachi Elite 3 lows going for $30. But yeah, I'm actually playing softball with some friends, but they can't use metal cleats. So I need plastic cleats, something like this, $35. I did take a look at these. These actually fit okay. Size 10.5 probably would work. I don't want to spend $35. I want to be cheap, really cheap on these because I never really play. I never really play like that. Do got Monarchs down to 40, Nurses shoes down to 60. I thought we've seen these for 30 at a bunch of outlets. The Pegasus right here, going for 60. That's what I thought they'd be. Golf cleats right here. Zoom Infinity Tours go for 70. Another pair right here going for 80. Series 0. Oh, these are the ES. But look, $40. Jordans for $40 freaking dollars. That is insane. That's insane. That's funny. Moving up in size to the 11s, more Zions, more $60. More Pegasus. I don't know. I've never seen this colorway though. A Jordan Moss collab. No clue who that is. On the other shoe, it does say Jordan Moss on it. I don't know. $60. Never seen that colorway. Never seen that collab. Witness 4s, the cheapest you'll ever see those. $40 freaking dollars. If you need hoop sneakers, these are going for $50 right here. Kyrie. What is this? The Fly Traps going for $40. Wow. See, I was hoping to find something like this for the 10.5 right here, $25. But not really happening. Not in 10.5. Size 12, they have a ton of these free runs right here. Free run 2 is going for $50. Not even exaggerating. All size 12 on the bottom right there. Space Hippie 4s coming in the biggest box you've ever seen. $60 for those. Jesus sandals right here. Going for $40. Phantom Elite GT2s are the most expensive cleats. $250 down to $70. Size 13, there's like a million pair of cleats here. Damn, dude, they don't have them on my size though. Infinity Run Flyknits going for $80. Oh, the even more expensive, the Phantom GT2 Elite. I don't know. Those are $250. These are $275. I don't know the difference. Ton of basketball sneakers. Do you got Blazers too? Oh, these are a size 14. Going for $50. That's a good deal. React Milers. Going for $60. Holy crap. I think that's the cheapest we've seen those. 14 all basketball sneakers. Oh, these are 14.5. $80 for those. Got those. $50 for the PGs. Got running shoes too. Okay, got more of a selection for the big feet gang. So $80 for these. Got some Jesus sandals, go for what, $40. But usually tons and tons of basketball sneakers for the 14 and above. 15's pretty much the same, $70 for the KDs right here. These are the KD 13s. More of those, different colorways, bunch of those. Got a bunch of got a bunch of PGs, Kyries, all hella cheap. These are 60. Crazy, insane sizes. Dude got size 16s, going for 20 bucks. Man, dude, they got the Gatorades too. The Gatorades, these are what, 18s? Yep, size 18s right here, man. Down to the 9.5 and smaller Invincible Run Finest, go for 80 bucks. KD 14s go for $70. That's a size 10. Zoom types, 70 bucks. Oh, these are all 10s now. Let me go back to the 9.5s. Air Max Genomes go for 80 bucks. Vaporfly Next Percents, 100 bucks for those. Okay. Interesting colorway though. More of the series Jordans right here. Size. Oh, this is a 10.5. Go for $40. Wrong section. I'll just throw it back though, because I'm lazy. In the size 9, one of my boys asked me to check for some Romelios, which are well, they're weightlifting, but they're for powerlifting, and I don't really see any here. Have been checking. More nurses shoes, more 60 bucks. Greater Impacts go for 50. Got the Gator ones right here. ISPAs go for 40. These were normally like 220 or something. Waffle trainers going for 50. React mileage, these are 8.5 down to 60. So that's actually one of the cheapest ones I've seen. Checking the women's bigger sizes. Dude got Blazer lows right here. This 11.5, so size 10 men's. Size 10 men's at 50 bucks. Want some Blazers. Clean Blazers for $50. Not bad. Not bad. I don't think we've seen these at the regular outlets for 50 bucks. They got these as well going for 50, normally 100 bucks, so not bad. Plenty of size, or plenty of different ones as well. Actually, plenty of the same ones, same sizes as well. Have them in size 12, which is a size 10 now. Oh, these are the platforms. Oh, those are ugly. Okay, got these, the big ones. Okay, this is size 12. That's a 10.5. Pegasus for freaking 60 bucks. 38s for freaking $60. Wow, that's a size 10.5 men's. 12 women. And periodically checking to see if they brought the heat card. No, I don't see it. I don't see it. Dude got Jordan socks here. Oh, these are kids. 20 down to 10 bucks. So, you know, that's pretty dope. 12 down to 7 for the no-show socks right there. Those as well, 10 bucks for those. And this is what, how many? 6 of them. Those are 3, those are 6. Check and see if they have any men's socks. Okay, they have these right here. Down to $5 for these. Oh, 15, my bad. $15.99. I'm tripping. LSU socks. What's the price? $10 for these, for 3 of them. Oh no, for 2 of them. Oh yeah, 2 of them. Some Vapor socks right here, the knee highs. These are the super high end. 16 down to 7. Size. Oh, they actually have size 12 to 15. Don't see that too often. But they have size 6 to 8 right here as well. More size 6 to 8. They have size 8 to 12 for. That's weird. So why is this 8 to 12 and that's. So this is only. Oh, okay. So that's 6 to 8 and then 8 to 12. Okay. So they got those for the red ones. Same price, $7, normally 60. Then the crew socks too, $10 for these, for 3 of them. Okay. Long sleeve right here. This is an XL long sleeve Jordan shirts down to 15 bucks. Okay. Bengals gear down to 40. You rarely ever see Bengals gear anymore. Okay. So you got more team merch right here. That's for Club America. $25. This is size large. That's actually dope. Villanova hoodie. This is a medium. Go for $25. Normally $70. Wow. Extra small tech fleece. I think that's tech fleece. I don't know, but 85 down to 30 or 25 down to $30. Okay. Checking out the jerseys. I don't think I've ever seen these here before. Do got the Westbrook Washington Wizards jerseys go for $40. These are the swingman, so they're normally $110. These are XLs right here. Got a few of them. The Goon Squad, we've seen these a bunch of times. Go for 40 bucks. Those are like double XL or something. USA ones, we've seen those a bunch of times. They used to have various sizes, 40 bucks. This is a small clipper. Oh, USA, more USA jersey size small, going for 40. The blue ones, And then Kawhi Leonard jerseys, these are going for 40. Okay, so they do still have various sizes. So medium right here, going for 40. Blue one as well. Don't see them. Oh wait, see, even a large. Okay. Oh, that's a medium. It's in the large section. And then, see, is this a sport? What is this? I don't. Can y'all explain to me what this is? Is this for dudes? What is this? Is this just to carry your phone? It's like a bro and goes around your waist. I don't know. I don't know what the hell that is. I don't know what it is, but it's here. I've seen that a couple times. I'm still confused. Tech fleece. Oh, these are Therma even higher end than Tech fleece. $50. These are normally $140 or something like that. Wow, that's a medium. Nike Golf, kind of like khaki looking things. I don't know how much. I don't see a price tag on it. Oh, there's a price tag. So yeah, this is a dry fit. And it's down to $30. Normally $85. Wow, this is a large. Oh, it's in the large section. It's a medium, 30, 32. Damn. But they got other sizes right here. Yeah, 34 stuff. At this price, man, you can just buy it and then get it altered, man, for that price. Holy crap. Yeah, they do got a bunch of sizes of these, so you're good. 36, 32s, bunch. Okay. All right, I think that's about it, dude. Nothing too crazy, but if you want specific purpose-built shoes, or that's pretty dope. The blazers right there, the Sakai blazers, those are still there. Those are pretty dope. But yeah, all right, let's wrap it up.